Hi everyone, my name is Mohammed Ilyas. I am a digital marketing expert. Today I'll show you how to set up our review button on our Facebook business page. Okay. Now, uh, come here. So basically, we see our review button here. It's okay, but there's no review button in my page here. So I will show you how to set up, how to add this review button. So to set up this review button, I have to go to three dot button here. So I will click on this button. Now I'll scroll down a little bit, a little down here. Now here I can see lots of options here. Look. So from here I will select this option because my Facebook button review button is basically here. It's okay. Now I'll click on this button and I have come my final destination. Basically I will turn out add my review button from this interface. So here I can see lots of options here. So now I'm checking from where I will add my review button. Here you can see allow others to view and leave reviews on your page. This option you will turn on. It's okay. Now I'm turn on this option and I will scroll down a little bit, a little down. Okay. Now I will turn on this two button. It's okay. If I turn on this two button, then our button will be added on our Facebook business page. It's okay. Now I am turning on this button and this button as well. Okay. Our work is done. Now I will check my page. Actually, it has been added or not. Okay. Now I am going again my page. Okay. Now here I will check where. Yes, I can see my button, review button here. My review button finally has been added here. So if you don't know, don't worry, you will set up from now this review button after watching this video. And if you don't find option here, look here, then you will come here. Okay, here you sorry, not here. Here, settings option. From here, you will just click on privacy button. Okay. Now I can see here page and tagging option. You will check. You will turn tap on this button. Yes. Yes, I found my final destination. From here, you will turn on this button, and this button too. This is how you can change your. You can add your review button here. So oh, it's not working. Problem. Sorry. How you can set up your Facebook page reviews button. So thank you very much to watch this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. If you find something new, something good from my video, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and share my videos. Thank you very much again.